The first common mistake. I'm looking forward to seeing you. This is the correct sentence. This is because look forward to is a phrasal verb, and the to is a preposition. After a preposition, we use a gerund. So, we say look forward to seeing. But we can say, I'm looking forward to the party. This is because the word party is a noun. So the rule is, after look forward to you can use a noun or a gerund. For example, I'm looking forward to the party, or I am looking forward to going to the party. The second common mistake. The classic trap. We do not say despite of. We say, despite the rain, we went out. Or, in spite of the rain, we went out. Despite does not take of. So remember, despite plus noun or gerund. In spite of plus noun or gerund. For example, despite being tired, she kept running. In spite of the noise, I slept well. The third and final mistake for today. She's married with a doctor. This sentence is wrong. We should say, she is married to a doctor. Why? The verb married is followed by the preposition to and not with when you are talking about a marriage. For example, he is married to an engineer. He got married to an engineer last year. But there is a twist. Nobody said grammar was easy. He is married with 2 kids. This means he's married and has 2 children. So, remember, married to a person, married with kids. To shows a partner and with is the number of kids. The rules at a glance. Small changes that have a big impact on how fluently you speak and how confident you feel. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps me create more content to help you learn English faster and speak more confidently.